Welcome! If you're tired of getting constant Instagram direct request notifications and want a little more peace and quiet, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the simplest way to turn off those notifications directly from your phone's settings. This guide is updated for 2025, so you'll be following the latest steps. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your main Settings app. This is where you control all the apps and notifications on your device. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of every app installed on your phone. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Instagram. Then tap on it to open the app settings. Now that you're in Instagram's app settings, look for the option called Notifications. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you can manage every type of notification Instagram sends to your phone. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see something called Notification Categories. Tap on this to reveal all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you. You'll notice categories like likes, comments, and of course, direct requests. Find the one labeled Instagram Direct Requests. This is the notification that pops up every time someone new tries to message you. To disable it, simply toggle the switch off. Once you do this, you won't get any more notifications about new message requests in your Instagram inbox. And that's it. You've just disabled Instagram Direct Request notifications. You'll still receive messages, but your phone won't buzz or light up every time someone tries to contact you for the first time. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. See you in the next video.